This is the 11th generation of the successful Suzuki Carry, which was introduced in 2013. A perfect, super efficient cargo transporter that has been powering Japanese businesses for decades. The Refrigerated Food Series truck you are looking at is one of a number of variants that are factory-made specifically for a variety of applications. It is based on a simple yet sophisticated Suzuki Kei Truck platform, developed around a frame concept with a small, robust engine driving the rear axle or four wheels. The secret of its success is a focus on delivering a light and agile vehicle that is highly efficient to run, cost-effective to manufacture, easy to maintain, and inexpensive to repair. Without further ado, let's take a closer look at this 2019 model of the Suzuki Carry, a lightweight truck dedicated to transporting both fresh and chilled goods. Overview. The Suzuki Carry is a sibling of vehicles such as the Nissan NT100 Clipper, Mazda Scrum Truck, or Mitsubishi Minicab Truck. In fact, the only competitor to Suzuki OEM Truck is the Toyota Alliance with its OEM light truck branded as Daihatsu Hi-Jet Truck, Toyota Pixus Truck, and Subaru Samba Truck. It is largely the same concept in terms of layout, dimensions, efficiency, and performance. Finally, there is Honda Light Truck with Acti, which has been out of production since 2021. Acti had a different engine layout with a rear-mounted unit instead of one placed behind the front axle, as on the other trucks. Above all, the Carry Mini Truck is efficient and smart in its operation. All JDM light trucks come standard with air conditioning, although other features, for example power steering, are available depending on the trim level. Despite its size, Carry is a fairly safe car. For 2013, it has a reinforced frame all-round, improved crumple zones in both the front and sides, including a double beam structure in the doors. With the addition of airbags and ABS plus ADB, you get a basic safety package that is complete for safe short distance hauling in a city, suburbs, or between villages. By the end of 2023, all Suzuki OEM trucks, including Carry, will feature enhanced galvanized rust protection, improved dashboards, and an advanced safety system based on radar and cameras. The late 2023 model includes, among others, lane departure warning, intelligent emergency braking that intervenes when it detects dangerous actions of other vehicles and pedestrians ahead, even at night, vehicle dynamics control, automatic high beam and full LD headlights. The latest Carry, launched in 2015, is undoubtedly inexpensive, practical, simple, and fun to drive. Dimensions and chassis. With a body length of 3.39 meters, width of 1.47 meters, height of 1.96 meters, and a tight turning radius of 3.6 meters for either rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive versions, it is a true joy to drive. Combine that with a wheelbase of 1.9 meters, a ground clearance of 16 centimeters, and an approach angle of 19.8 degrees, and it will come as no surprise that not too many obstacles can stop it from reaching its destination. If you need even more serious handling and off-road capability, choose the four-wheel drive variant equipped with an additional low-range gearbox complete with differential lock. And if that still isn't enough, take advantage of the wide range of aftermarket bolt-on lift kits and off-road tires to suit your needs. Tires fitted as standard are 145/80 12-inch light truck, reinforced ones, leaving plenty of space under the wheel arches to accommodate bulkier ones. Carry and its siblings come with a 5-gear manual transmission or 3 automatic transmission. 2022 and later models are equipped with 4 automatic transmission or 5 manual transmission. Rear and luggage capacity. When you consider the overall dimensions of the vehicle, the cargo area is where the magic happens. The variant presented here is one of 3 available Food Series trucks. It weighs only 880 kilograms. Its load capacity is 350 kilograms. It offers a refrigerated cargo compartment made by Izumi Industry, featuring a thermocang, digitally controlled climate in the range of -5 to +20 degrees Celsius. It is a middle-of-the-range variant, where the lower spec unit only offers thermally insulated compartment with no cooling, whereas the top-of-the-range variant has a cooling capacity down to -20 degrees Celsius. Internal dimensions of the container are 1,755 millimeters in length by 13.5 millimeters in width and 1,135 millimeters in height. The wooden drainboard fitted variant is 1,095 millimeters high. Sliding side doors are designed for maximum ease in tight spaces and can be operated with one hand. Opening dimension is 63.5 centimeters wide by 96.5 centimeters high. Rear doors can be fixed at 2 angles to fit in with the available space. Opening measures 130 centimeters wide by 113 centimeters high. Load floor edge is positioned at 72.5 centimeters above the ground. You'll appreciate the easy-to-clean, antibacterial load area floor with twin drains at front corners. The construction of the container is made of aluminum profiles and sheets with a combination of hard urethane foam. Thickness of the walls, ceiling, and floor is 50 millimeters, which gives good thermal insulation. The same design and values apply to the refrigerated and thermally insulated versions. While the top range freezer differs by having 75 millimeters thick sidewalls along with 100 millimeters thick ceiling and floor, this results in a much better insulation value. Refrigeration compressor unit is independent and positioned at the side of the truck chassis. This configuration allows both the refrigeration of the cargo area and the use of a belt-driven AC unit mounted on the engine to cool the cabin independently. Interior. Interior is simple and highly functional, with good visibility and a surprisingly pleasant driving position for those up to 180 centimeters tall. Space between the door panels is 131 millimeters, just 7 millimeters less than on the 2011 Toyota Yaris Vitz. Seats are flat for ease of frequent getting in and out, and there is no recline adjustment. To access the engine, you have to lift the seats. Due to the design, the cabin is neither well insulated from the heat coming from the engine bay, nor from the noise coming from the wheel arches. While the engine is very quiet until you push it hard, the tire noise is more of an issue. Dashboard is simple and ergonomic, with digital instruments and a handy cup holder that has an air duct to keep your drink cool or warm on the move. Power windows, central door locking are nice touches. Thermo King's remote management panel allows you to quickly check and adjust the cargo area temperature to the desired level. A microprocessor unit maintains the set temperature without your intervention, regardless of outside temperature fluctuations. Price at beforward. Similar Suzuki Carry truck you can buy at beforward. The 2013 up-model DA16T starts from $2,310 US. You might also search for the siblings by terms DG16T for Mazda, DR16T for Nissan, and DS16T for Mitsubishi. Please check current prices on the beforward website. Engine. All Suzuki siblings built from 2013 onwards are powered by R06A. A 658 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder 12 valves VVT natural aspirated engine developed by Suzuki in 2011. Peak power of 50 horsepower is available at 6,200 RPM. Maximum torque of 59 Newton meters at 3,500 RPM. It may not sound like much, but don't be fooled by the numbers. The performance on climbs and in town is incredible, but don't expect a lot of acceleration or high speeds uphill. Instead, thanks to the optimized gear ratios, you get plenty of power even at low revs and with the full cargo pack. Motorway cruising at around 120 kilometers per hour isn't too demanding for the engine, but it can be quite a burden for the driver. Depending on driving conditions, average fuel consumption varies between 5.5 and 9 liters per 100 kilometers. If you're looking for a van, truck, or other kind of commercial vehicle at a great price, visit beforward.jp for a huge inventory of vehicles to help you grow your business. Please always check all details and specs by contacting beforward staff before you make purchase. You can send your inquiries to top@beforward.jp.